Boys, we are back to midnight projects. It's time to change out this valve cover for the one I painted. You can see it on previous shorts. We're also going to do a few dress up things. We're going to take care of that cam plug right there. Let's have fun, guys. Victory here. You can see it's missing RTV on all the spots, so it was leaking oil out of this. There's no RTV at all on it, even though the gasket feels a little hard too. It's gonna need this baby. So go ahead and check. Make sure it's clean on all surfaces, but also remember to check the timing belt here. Make sure you don't see any cracks or anything, at least from what you can see. I'm gonna get a light down there and find out. As you can see, it looks like we have a minor issue. It's getting eaten, the plastic is getting eaten by the cam gear. Not good. It's becoming a bigger project. I'm just gonna take off the top plastic and let's find out what's happening. Gonna have to send it. My wife is waiting. Boys, it's 2 a.m. We did it. We are in business. If you take a look, guys, it is beautiful. It's not spoon, but we're feeling spoon, you know what I mean? So there you go. There you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe. We're just having fun out here.